Hair is an important part of our identity that adds confidence and makes us feel good about ourselves. For intense hair loss, you'll have to go for a hair transplant method in order to get your old hair back. But you will have to do this safely with a minimum cost to regain your confidence and look. Here, we have only one answer: the aesthetics.
Hair. Hair is the most important part of our identity. It makes us look confident, it makes us look good. But what if we start losing our hair? After using a lot of hair product and after using a lot of home remedies? We have one option, and that is hair transplantation. And for that, we need to talk with Dr. Jayant Kumar Das. Doctor, I would like to ask you many questions. I have a huge questions about hair problem because people are facing a lot of hair loss after doing lot of home remedies. So what is the reason?
Yes, you have rightly said. Hair loss is a very common problem nowadays. So many people, they try many commercial products, but it's not fruitful or useful. There are different reasons for hair fall, and the stress is the most common factor. Apart from stress, there is air pollution, water pollution, unhealthy diet habit, so unhealthy lifestyle. So these are the factors which are responsible for hair loss. Hair transplantation is a procedure where hair with its root is transferred from one part of the scalp to the bald area. So it is transferred with its root. It is known as hair transplantation or follicular unit extraction method.
So which part of the hair get transplant?
Normally it is from the occipital area or posterior part of the head. So because that is genetically programmed permanent hair. So that is why that area is chosen, so that the hair growth will be faster and it is almost permanent.
So I have a question for teenagers also. The one who are the teenagers, they are also facing the same problem. So is this process goes for them too?
Hair loss is a problem which is also seen in teenage or adolescent group. But they normally don't need hair transplantation. Most of the time it can be managed with medications or local application of serum or any medicated shampoo or other therapies.
Achha, tell me one thing more, that the people or the patient who are facing a medical issues like thyroid or sugar, so this type of process, the medication process from the from hair transplant, will that affect those illness?
Many people, they have hair loss or hair problem, and they also suffer from diabetes, thyroid or any heart problems. But we have to manage those problems first, then we'll proceed for hair transplantation.
Tell me about the duration.
Hair transplantation is a very tedious procedure. So it takes time because we have to pluck each hair with its root. So it will take around 6 to 8 hours for a single session.
And its recovery time?
Normally it takes 5 days and there are certain restrictions, so you have to maintain those things, and after that it will grow within 2 to 3 months.
And just tell me about the cost.
Hair transplantation is not very expensive, so it will cost around 50 to 60,000 per session.